Hi, in this video we will be talking about the importance of protecting your finances. Watch this video to the end to be aware of common scams and take proactive steps to protect your finances. Welcome back to the International CEO. In today's interconnected world, where technology has made financial transactions easier than ever before, it has also opened the door to various forms of financial scams. These scams can range from simple phishing emails to elaborate Ponzi schemes, and they can target anyone regardless of age, income, or education level. Falling victim to a financial scam can have devastating consequences, leading to loss of savings, identity theft, and even financial ruin. Therefore, it's essential to be aware of common scams and take proactive steps to protect your finances. Understanding financial scams. Financial scams come in many forms, but they all share the same goal: to deceive individuals into providing money or sensitive information. Some of the most prevalent financial scams include phishing. Phishing scams involve fraudulent emails, text messages, or phone calls that attempt to trick recipients into providing personal or financial information. Identity theft. Identity theft occurs when someone steals your personal information, such as your social security number or credit card details, to commit fraud or other crimes. This can result in unauthorized charges, opening of new accounts in your name, or even criminal charges if your identity is used for illegal activities. Investment scams. Investment scams promise high returns with little or no risk, often targeting inexperienced investors with promises of guaranteed profits. These scams can take the form of Ponzi schemes, pyramid schemes, or fraudulent investment opportunities in fake or non-existent companies. Romance scams. Romance scams involve perpetrators creating fake online personas to develop romantic relationships with victims, only to exploit them for money or financial information. Lottery or prize scams. Lottery or prize scams notify victims that they have won a large sum of money or valuable prize, but require them to pay fees or taxes up front to claim their winnings. In reality, there are no winnings, and victims end up losing money instead. Protecting your finances. While financial scams are prevalent, there are steps you can take to protect yourself and your finances. Be skeptical. Exercise caution when receiving unsolicited communications, whether it's via email, phone, or social media. Be skeptical of offers that seem too good to be true or require you to provide personal or financial information. Verify requests. If you receive a message or call claiming to be from a legitimate institution, such as your bank or the IRS, don't provide any information right away. Secure your information. Protect your personal and financial information by using strong, unique passwords for online accounts, and avoid sharing sensitive information on public Wi-Fi networks or unsecured websites. Consider using two-factor authentication for added security. Monitor your accounts. Regularly monitor your bank and credit card statements for any unauthorized transactions or suspicious activity. Report any discrepancies to your financial institution immediately and consider placing a fraud alert on your credit report. Educate yourself. Stay informed about the latest scams and fraud tactics by reading reputable sources and staying up to date on consumer alerts from organizations like the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, or the Better Business Bureau, BBB. Share this information with friends and family to help protect them as well. Trust your instincts. If something feels off or too good to be true, trust your instincts and proceed with caution. Don't let pressure or urgency from a scammer cloud your judgment, and don't hesitate to seek advice from trusted friends, family members, or financial professionals. Report scams. If you encounter a financial scam or believe you've been targeted, report it to the appropriate authorities immediately. This may include your bank, the FTC, the Internet Crime Complaint Center, IC3, or your local law enforcement agency. Reporting scams not only helps protect yourself but also prevents others from falling victim. Continuing the journey to financial security. In our increasingly digital world, where financial transactions are conducted online, it's crucial to remain vigilant against evolving threats. Financial scammers are constantly adapting their tactics to exploit vulnerabilities, making it imperative for individuals to stay informed and proactive in protecting their finances. Let's delve deeper into additional strategies and insights to fortify your defenses against financial scams. Be cautious with online activities. Online activities present numerous opportunities for scammers to exploit unsuspecting individuals. Exercise caution when engaging in online interactions, whether it's through social media, online forums, or e-commerce platforms. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading attachments from unknown sources, as they may contain malware or phishing attempts. Be wary of sharing personal information online, especially on public platforms where it can be accessed by anyone. Review the privacy settings on your social media accounts to control who can see your posts and personal information. Stay updated on security measures. Keep abreast of the latest security measures and technologies designed to protect against financial fraud. Many financial institutions offer advanced security features, such as biometric authentication, fraud monitoring, and real-time alerts for suspicious activities. Take advantage of these features to add an extra layer of protection to your accounts. Regularly update your software, including operating systems, web browsers, and antivirus programs, to patch vulnerabilities and defend against new threats. Consider using reputable security software that provides comprehensive protection against malware, phishing, and other online threats. Educate yourself about investment risks. Investing can be an excellent way to grow your wealth, but it also carries inherent risks, especially in today's complex financial landscape. Educate yourself about different investment vehicles, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and cryptocurrencies, and understand the associated risks and potential rewards. Be cautious of investment opportunities that promise guaranteed returns or high profits with minimal risk, as they may be fraudulent schemes. Research investment opportunities thoroughly, consult with trusted financial advisors, and diversify your portfolio to mitigate risk. Be wary of emotional manipulation. Financial scammers often use emotional manipulation tactics to exploit their victims' vulnerabilities. Be wary of individuals who try to pressure or guilt trip you into making financial decisions hastily. Whether it's a romantic partner asking for money or an investment advisor urging you to act quickly to seize a supposed opportunity, take a step back and assess the situation objectively. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment when it comes to financial matters. Seek advice from impartial sources and consider the long-term implications of your decisions. Safeguard your personal documents. Protecting physical documents containing sensitive information is just as crucial as safeguarding your online accounts. Store important documents such as passports, social security cards, and financial statements in a secure location, preferably a locked safe or filing cabinet. Shred any documents containing personal or financial information before discarding them to prevent identity theft. Be cautious when sharing documents with third parties, and only provide information when absolutely necessary. Stay alert during tax season. Tax season is a prime time for scammers to target unsuspecting individuals through various tax-related schemes. Be vigilant for signs of tax scams, such as unsolicited emails claiming to be from the IRS or phone calls demanding immediate payment of taxes. The IRS will never contact you via email, text message, or social media to request personal or financial information. If you receive a suspicious communication purportedly from the IRS, report it to the agency immediately. Work with a reputable tax professional or use trusted tax preparation software to file your taxes securely and accurately. Foster a culture of financial literacy. Promoting financial literacy is key to empowering individuals to make informed decisions and protect themselves against financial scams. Encourage education initiatives that teach people of all ages about budgeting, saving, investing, and avoiding financial pitfalls. Equip children and young adults with the knowledge and skills they need to navigate the complexities of personal finance responsibly. By fostering a culture of financial literacy within our communities, we can empower individuals to take control of their financial futures and guard against exploitation. As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of financial scams, it's essential to maintain a proactive stance and adapt to emerging threats. Here are additional strategies to bolster your defenses and preserve your financial well-being. Be mindful of social engineering tactics. Social engineering is a technique used by scammers to manipulate individuals into divulging sensitive information or performing actions that compromise their security. These tactics often rely on psychological manipulation and deception to gain trust and exploit human vulnerabilities. Be cautious of unsolicited requests for personal information, especially if they come from unfamiliar sources or seem out of context. Trust your instincts and verify the identity of the person or organization making the request before disclosing any sensitive information. Secure your devices and networks. In an era where digital devices are ubiquitous, securing your devices and networks is paramount to protecting your financial information from cyber threats. Implement robust security measures, such as encryption, firewalls, and antivirus software, to safeguard your devices against malware and hacking attempts. Keep your devices up to date with the latest security patches and regularly audit your network for vulnerabilities. Use secure Wi-Fi networks and avoid conducting financial transactions on public or unsecured networks to minimize the risk of interception by cybercriminals. Third-party apps and services can offer convenience and functionality, but they also pose risks to your financial security if not properly vetted. Before downloading or using a third-party app, research its reputation, read user reviews, and verify that it comes from a reputable source. Be cautious of granting excessive permissions or sharing sensitive information with third-party apps, as they may misuse or mishandle your data. Regularly review the permissions granted to apps on your devices and revoke access to any unnecessary or suspicious ones. Practice safe online shopping habits. Online shopping has revolutionized the way we shop, but it also presents opportunities for scammers to steal your financial information. When making online purchases, only shop from reputable websites with secure payment gateways. Look for HTTPS encryption and padlock symbols in the browser address bar to ensure that your transactions are encrypted and secure. Avoid clicking on pop-up ads or links in unsolicited emails, as they may lead to fraudulent websites designed to steal your payment information. Use strong, unique passwords for online accounts and enable multi-factor authentication whenever possible to add an extra layer of security. Monitor your credit report regularly. Your credit report contains valuable information about your financial history and is often the first indicator of potential fraud or identity theft. Regularly monitor your credit report from all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, to check for any unauthorized inquiries, accounts, or discrepancies. Federal law entitles you to one free credit report from each bureau every 12 months, which you can access through annualcreditreport.com. Review your credit report carefully and report any suspicious activity or inaccuracies to the credit bureaus immediately. Stay engaged and informed. Finally, staying engaged and informed about emerging threats and best practices is essential to staying one step ahead of financial scammers. Subscribe to reputable cybersecurity news sources, follow industry experts and organizations on social media, and participate in online forums and communities dedicated to cybersecurity and financial fraud prevention. By staying informed about the latest scams, trends, and security measures, you can better protect yourself and your finances from evolving threats. Protecting your finances from scams requires a proactive and multifaceted approach that encompasses awareness, education, and technological safeguards. By remaining vigilant, staying informed, and adopting best practices for financial security, you can minimize the risk of falling victim to financial scams and preserve your financial well-being. Remember, the key to combating financial fraud lies in taking proactive steps to protect yourself and your assets. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay secure. Continued diligence in financial protection. As we conclude our exploration of safeguarding against financial scams, it's essential to emphasize the ongoing nature of this endeavor. Financial scams evolve rapidly, adapting to new technologies and vulnerabilities, which necessitates a continuous commitment to vigilance and adaptation. Here are some final considerations to reinforce your defenses against financial fraud. Remain skeptical of unsolicited offers. Whether it's an email promising extravagant returns on investment or a phone call claiming you've won a prize, maintain a healthy skepticism towards unsolicited offers. Remember the old adage, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Take the time to research and verify any offers before committing your money or personal information. Seek guidance from trusted sources. When in doubt about a financial opportunity or suspicious activity, don't hesitate to seek guidance from trusted sources. Consult with financial advisors, consumer protection agencies, or law enforcement authorities to validate the legitimacy of an offer or report potential scams. Trusted professionals can provide valuable insights and guidance to help you navigate complex financial decisions safely. Empower others through education. Share your knowledge and experiences with friends, family, and community members to empower them to protect themselves against financial scams. Educate others about common scams, warning signs, and best practices for financial security. By fostering a culture of awareness and education, you can collectively strengthen your defenses and support one another in safeguarding against fraud. In such situations, it's essential to remain resilient and take decisive action to mitigate the damage. Act quickly to report fraud. freeze compromised accounts, and dispute unauthorized charges with your financial institutions. Remember that you are not alone, and there are resources and support available to help you recover from financial fraud. Protecting your finances from scams is an ongoing journey that requires diligence, awareness, and proactive measures. By adopting a comprehensive approach that combines skepticism, education, technological safeguards, and resilience, you can minimize the risk of falling victim to financial fraud and preserve your financial well-being. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay empowered in your quest to safeguard your finances against scams. Together, we can build a more secure financial future for ourselves and future generations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.